So guys, let's talk about dark ties. Dark ties are very common amongst women, especially if you have a thick ties like mine or bigger than mine. And me, I don't like to wear tights. I always have dark ties, but I always find a way to treat it. So let me teach you how you can treat your dark inner ties without no complications, okay? As a thick girl, I have struggled with dark inner ties. It is so embarrassing. Like, there are some clothes I couldn't wear because of my dark inner ties and because I am also a chubby person. As a matter of fact, I also hated to wear tights. It makes me uncomfortable. But I had to find a solution to this dark inner ties. Now, if you're watching this video, please click on the like button and subscribe. Thank you. So these are my to-go products that I use to clear my dark inner ties, as you can see. So these two products contains retinol. So in case you can't find this particular one in your country, just make sure you buy a product that contains retinol. Now, this is a natural remedy. I also use this lemon and sugar to also exfoliate my legs before even applying my Vaseline. So this is like a 2-in-1 method because many people cannot afford retinol and they want to start with something. So using lemon and sugar would also help to lighten that area. You have to be consistent and trust me, you would see results in no time. So in case you want to combine the two routines together, the first tube I held in my first description was called triloma and melanophrine. So those two tubes contains what we call hydroquinone and tretinoin. So it's not enough for you to use just hydroquinone on your hyperpigmentation, but you need to mix it with tretinoin. That is when you get a very good result and something that would last longer for you. Because many people use just hydroquinone and they say, oh, it comes back darker. It doesn't. When you follow my instruction, it will never come back darker. So this is what you have to do. First of all, you use the hydroquinone and the tretinoin combo 3 times a week, followed by your Vaseline. So, but on the other days you don't use your tretinoin, you're just going to use your Vaseline morning and night. I don't know if you understand me, yeah? What to expect when you start using hydroquinone and tretinoin on your dark ties. First of all, that area is going to start to peel. It might be reddish, so it might even get darker, but don't be scared. Continue using your moisturizers. Continue using a lot of oils on that area. Make sure you are maintaining the area. Make sure you wear tight. Make sure your two labs are not slapping together anymore so that those places will not come back darker. And that is all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.